How to use FreshBooks for freelance tax tracking. Alright, so if you're freelancing in the US, tax season can feel like a nightmare. But here's the good news, FreshBooks actually makes it super simple. So when you log in, you're gonna land on the dashboard. This is the big picture. You're gonna see your income, expenses, and invoices right away. Basically, it's your tax snapshot for the year. Now, one of the hardest parts of freelancing is keeping track of deductions. FreshBooks actually helps you by letting you connect your bank or credit card. It pulls in your expenses automatically. Then you just tag them like travel, software, or supplies. And the cool part is, these categories already line up with what the IRS looks for. So when April rolls around, you're not digging through the old receipts, everything's already neat and organized. If you charge sales tax, FreshBooks tracks that too. So when your state wants their cut, you know exactly what's owed. Now let's talk about reports. There are two ways you're going to use the most. First, the tax summary report. It breaks down your income and deductions in IRS-friendly categories. And second, the profit and loss report. This shows what you actually made after expenses. You can also use these yourself or just send them straight to your accountant. Oh, and FreshBooks also tracks mileage. So if you're driving to client meetings, those miles can literally save you money at tax time. So as a quick recap, FreshBooks literally keeps your expenses synced, your deductions organized, and your taxes tracked. So that's it for this one. If this helped, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.